Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So guys, today's video is going to be another comparison video which is most loved foundation these days, and I hope you've got what it is. So it is going to be a comparison between two Maybelline foundations, that is the Maybelline OG Fit Me foundation, and the other one is the new launch from Maybelline, which is the Lumi Matte Superstay foundation. So let's not further ado and let's get started with today's video. So guys, here are the two OG foundation that is going all over on the internet today, especially this one. This is the Superstay Lumi foundation by Maybelline, and both of these are my exact shade, that is 310. You can see I have applied both of this foundation on my face today. So on my left side I have used the OG Maybelline Fit Me foundation, on the right side I have used the Superstay Lumi foundation by Maybelline. So let's test out how this applies on my skin. Firstly, I need to tell you that both of these are a demi matte foundation, especially this one, the Superstay one, is a Lumi foundation, but it gives a very beautiful glow and gives your demi matte finish as well. It's not very dewy on your skin, so it gives a good matte finish on your face, whereas the matte and poreless one is a full matte foundation. But because I use a power grip primer underneath, so this also gives me a demi matte finish. It doesn't super mattifies my face or dries up my face. So the application of the Fit Me foundation is very smooth, as you all know. That's why it is called the OG foundation for every new person, those who come into makeup industry and all, so like makeup thing. So this goes very smooth on your skin, blends like a butter, and gives a very beautiful flawless finish. This one is the Lumi Matte foundation, which is again gives a very butter like finish, blends on your skin like butter. This gives more of a skin like finish than a very full coverage. This has a medium to buildable coverage, whereas the Fit Me Matte has more of a full coverage. It gives better coverage than the Lumi Matte. You can see both this foundation looks very good on my skin, and you can see the Lumi Matte gives more skin like dewy finish, and the Fit Me poreless one gives a little bit more coverage, I feel. But both these foundation are very good. The prices of this foundation, the Fit Me one is 649, but obviously you can get it in discount under rupees 500, and the Lumi Matte is probably somewhere around 800. I don't know where it is mentioned. The Lumi Matte is 899, and when I bought it in discount under rupees 600. So even you can get it on rupees 600 or something, 600 something. So even I got it in the same price. So from my end, I would say this one is much more affordable than this one. But if you like more skin like finish, then definitely go for this foundation, which is the Superstay Lumi Matte. But if you like more full coverage, or like if you want little bit more coverage, then you can go with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So the Superstay foundation gives you a 30 hours stay. I have never tried 30 hours stay. I did try this foundation for like a whole day when I went for my friend's bachelorette. So I was wearing this foundation for the whole day. It did stay pretty well on my face, did not oxidize as well. Like it did oxidize a bit but not a lot, but it stayed pretty well on my skin. It kept my skin matte as well. But on my T-zone area, it started secreting oil again, because obviously T-zones are very oily. So this foundation did stay pretty well up to almost 12 to 13 hours. I wore this for 12 to 30 hours, so it did stay well. And I don't have to say anything about this one, because everyone knows this actually stays pretty well on your skin as well. So both this foundation have SPF in it. So this one has SPF 22 in it, and this foundation has SPF 16 in it. So you don't have to worry about your sunscreen, though I will obviously say wear sunscreen before you put your makeup on. Always SPF is very important. But even if you forget, so they have SPF in it, so this will help you to protect your skin from the heat that is outside. Like literally, it's like you'll die in this heat. So as I mentioned, this foundation has 30 hours long stay, and this foundation has 16 hours long stay. And I have tried this foundation many times. I have finished 2-3 bottles of this. That is how much I love this foundation. And this is my first bottle, obviously, and I am loving this also. I obviously use this foundation on a lot of tutorials as well. I love the skin like finish that this gives. You can see over here, like you can see some of my acne marks, but still it looks very flawless. Like my skin looks very flawless. I really like both these foundations, so if you want me to choose one, it would be really hard for me, but I would definitely choose the Super Stay one for my preference, because I really like little skin like finish foundations these days. I don't like that super matte or super full coverage foundations these days. So for me, I will definitely repurchase this, but only if there's a discount. Otherwise, this also works pretty well. So if you're on a budget, I would say go for this foundation. But if you want to try another foundation which is almost like this but a bit more better, then you can definitely try out this foundation. Guys, that was all about the foundation comparison. I hope I kept it very simple and easy to understand for you guys, so you guys can choose your preferable foundation from this two, because I did got a request to compare these two foundation. So that is the reason I put this video over here, and I hope you guys like this videos. Then do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button beside it. And if you like some more makeup tutorials also, then do not forget to follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of makeup tutorials over there. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.